Hi, I'm Dr. Lara Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy in Boulder, Colorado, and I want to show you some quick and simple elongation stretches to do for your low back, which remember is the front side and the back side. And these are really important because remember, if something's pulling you on the front, which usually it's usually the case because we tend to move forward way more than we move backward, and we tend to sit and shorten everything on the front. And then our back muscles have to work a lot harder. So we want to elongate the front and the back. And these are really good. This is a really good series to do if you have any issues that are making it hard for you to stand as long or hard for you to get on your stomach to do different kinds of stretches. So here's what you want to do. Just on your bed, even if you have to lay sideways because you have a footboard. So on your bed, you're going to hang your feet just off the back or off the end of it. And that's it. It's so simple. But what's happening is it's lengthening the front side without creating any resistance. And that's really important. Now you can shimmy down a little bit more in little increments to see. But if you feel you want to feel for pressure in your back or your tailbone or tension on the front muscles. And if you feel anything, you've got to come backwards so it's less that's hanging off the edge. Because what we don't want to do is come way down and feel like we need to have a big, huge pull all at once, because that's not going to work, right? It's going to create more tension and pressure and be counterproductive. So you want to just go as little as you can, and you can kind of, as you get more length, you can come down a little farther. But less is more, especially to start. And then to pair that front lengthening with back lengthening, you roll to one side to a fetal position, because then you're rounding your back. And here you want to feel for any pressure or tension or muscle tension. And if you feel anything, then take your legs a little bit farther out so it's less of a stretch or pull. 25 seconds each. So 25 seconds on the first one, 25 seconds laying. You can lay to either side if one side's better than the other. 25 seconds here. And you can switch off too, so you can roll to the other side. Just imagine you're rounding the back. You want to feel into the back. Make sure that you don't feel anything and come away. If it feels fine, you might go a little bit more. And remember, subtle moves are really important. You don't have to make a huge leap to do any of it. You just relax. Be very relaxing. 25 seconds each. And then do it 10 times each one. Really simple, right? And feel into it. It should feel comfortable. It should feel relaxing, because what we don't want to do is create more pressure and tension on the muscles and system that already has pressure and tension. And that way we're getting both length on the front and length on the back without working your muscle. And that's the way you want to do it. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that helps. Happy stretching.